Alright everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub. Today we're going to try something a little different. It's pretty cool, but from what I've seen and what I've heard, but it is voice cloning. I say AI voice cloning, it's voice cloning, okay? We're going to use a little tool called ElevenLabs. And it says that it can clone your voice in just a few clicks. I've used ElevenLabs. I've used their stock voices, but I have never actually cloned my own voice. So we're going to try this today. And so we're going to see if it's going to make it sound like me or a robot. Only thing I've done so far is I did make a recording. As long as I can find it, I did make a recording of my voice, a short one, and we're going to upload that and check it out. So without further ado, let's get over here. We're going to go to, of course, I always start in ChatGPT because that's what I use. Unless I may try to change, or not change. I like ChatGPT, but Google AI is supposed to be getting pretty good, or their LLMs. So we're going to see. But right now, there's ChatGPT. We're going to head over to 11. It's ElevenLabs.io, and all it is, it's you've got text to speech, you got a voice changer, you got sound effects, your studio, your dubbing, and up here are your voices. So if we go to voices here, you got a choice of all these voices that you can make, or you can create or clone a new voice, and that is what we're going to do. You can see in my library, I had no idea. Anyway, I thought it'd show everything in my library, but it's not. That's okay. I ain't worried about that. What we're going to do is, this is a free. It is a free text to speech. I mean, if you put text in, it will. You pick a you put your text in, and you pick a voice, and then it will read out whatever you have in whatever voice that you chose. Now, I've got a whole bunch of credits, okay? I don't know if I upgraded or not. Anyway, I don't know if I upgraded or not. I think you get 10,000 characters a month, which is a bit, but I was actually using it to voice over a couple videos for another channel, and so I've used some of my tokens, and so I get 100,000, and I got 58,888, and it goes by characters, so I can use 58,888 characters this month. That's how many I got left, which is quite a bit. Most of my videos, a 5 to 7 minute video, generally will take you about 4,000 characters. So if you got 100,000 and you use them 4,000 at a time, you can make several videos. So it's not, it's pretty good deal. If you want to pay, you can go to upgrade, and here are their prices. See, you get 10,000 per month for $0. If you pay $5 a month, you get 30,000. $22 a month, you get 100,000, which will give you over 2 hours of audio. And then if you wanted to go with Pro, if you get that kind of money to throw around, that's cool. You can go with Pro and do 99. But I've got the Creator. It gives me 100,000 credits per month, 250 minutes of conversational AI. I don't know what that is. And see, right here is professional voice clone to create the most realistic digital replica of your voice. And you get all these. Of course, you can. They've got quite a few different things. I know. I just use Creator. It gives me plenty of time. I may step down to the starter only because I'm not doing those videos anymore. So, with that said, we're going to try to make we're going to try to make a voice. Okay, we're going to see how it clones my voice. We're going to hit the plus sign and design a entirely new voice from a text prompt. You can do that. Clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Now get that. It's 10 seconds. You don't have to have much audio and you can clone a voice. It says your voice, but I'm telling you, you don't have that. Okay, if you want the professional voice clone, you've got to have at least 30 minutes of clean audio, and then it will do that. We're going to do the instant voice clone and see how that does. So we're going to go here. Now I gotta find my let's see, OBS. I gotta find out where I have got this at. Unprogrammed mastermind. That's not it. Okay, I'm looking for my web file, guys. I don't even know what it's called. Oh shit! Hey, go ahead. Bear with me a minute. I'm looking for it. Oh, look at this. Here's my sample. Okay, so we're going to drag my sample over here. Remove background noise from audio recording. Okay, ready. Continue to add recordings for a better clone. Okay, I can't do that. We're not going to continue. So we are going to go next. We'll go see it. And some voice clone name. Sunsweaver 83 voice clone. Language value English. I haven't done this before, guys, so here you go. Hereby confirm rights. Yep, it's my voice, so there you go. We're going to say voice. Oh, wait a minute.
The waves write poetry on the beach sands.
Hey, well, that's pretty good, actually. That was pretty good. Take your new clone for a test drive with text-to-speech. Speak with your own clone by creating conversation. Okay, so here we go. We see right here. See, it's going to tell us that we got so many credits somewhere. It looks like everything changed. But anyway, we're going to type a little story here or something in a minute. And then we're going to generate it and see what it sounds like. But before we do that, I'm going to play what I have got recorded so we can compare. Oh, hi there. Welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn and build cool stuff with artificial intelligence. This is my real voice. Let's see how close the AI can get to it. Okay, so that was me. So let's see. This is a short script to test ElevenLabs voice cloning of myself. Okay, see right here, you can go up to 5,000 characters per, and that's going to give you about a 7-minute 7 minutes of audio. But it tells you, it's right here, I'm at 66 characters. Does this make me sound like a robot? I probably sounded more like a robot there. Okay, now you got over here. You can drop down this, and you see that's me. So that's the one we're going to use. But you can use any of these that you want. I generally always use these two, but We're not doing that today. We are using me. So what we're going to do, we're going to generate speech. It's going to be short.
This is a short script to test ElevenLabs' voice cloning of myself. Does this make me sound like a robot?
Okay. Well, I mean, I guess that's sort of me. I don't know. I didn't. I don't know what the other one sounds like. But yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. Let's type something else. We're gonna go over here. Give me a short. Okay, give me a short prompt for 11Labs so I can test my voice over. Okay, so we're going to take this comment here, copy, we're going to come over here, we're going to paste this in here, and we're going to generate speech again. That one's 100.
Welcome to AI Newbie Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of AI voice cloning. Does this sound like me? Let me know in the comments.
I don't like the gate, but I guess it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like I said, I'm not real big on the gate. It sounds a little robotish, but I didn't do the professional. This ain't going to be a long video, obviously, because it was a fairly quick thing. So that is 11Labs, okay? If you need to make voiceovers, you can come here, and I'm going to show you a couple others. Let's go here. Let's go to voices. Because we heard mine. Now, you can just play them.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I've not done.
Now, these two right here are the ones that I usually use, or used to.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the yard, so use my voice for those kind of projects.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news, trends, and celebrity gossip. Let's get into it. Hey everyone.
No, don't need to redo that. So, I mean, you got a whole bunch of voices here. A whole bunch. And you could just say, hey.
In seed time, learn. In harvest, teach. In winter, enjoy.
You notice how that one wasn't.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. As we are liberated.
Oh, we don't want to do that again, Bill. And so you can go to voice type, as in, professional instant generated. You can, I swore there was a place where you could filter it, but I don't know that's for sure, as in you could have make sure you got a female voice or a male voice depending on what you wanted.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So I think some of those actually sound better than mine.
The waves write poetry on the beach sands.
I don't know. That sounds like me. That is 11Labs. So if you need a voiceover, if you need say you create a video, you've got the text, as in the script, you can upload the script, and then you can add your voice over to the script. And if you use the correct program, which we're going to get into that probably later this, I don't know exactly, but we're going to make a talking avatar. And that's going to be important, because with the talking avatar, you need to have the script. So we're going to take our script and we're going to take it to a program called D-ID, and we're going to end up making a talking avatar here in the near future, probably this week or next. And so we'll be coming back to this. But that was pretty much in a nutshell. We just wanted to test out our 11Labs, see if it could voice or clone our voice, which it did. And so if you don't want to, look, if you have a script and you don't want to go to something like Audacity and record your voice and then match your voice to the script, you can upload the script, and what you would do is you do text to speech just like this, just like we did. You pick your voice, I'd pick mine, and you put in up to 5,000 characters, whatever your script is, and then you'll press regenerate speech. 2 free regenerations. Okay. You see that's if we want to do a free one, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste that. But we could take the script. You can clone your voice, or you can put any voice you want on it. Then you take that script into another program, and literally we're going to create an avatar, and then we're going to make that avatar talk. And this is part of that toolkit. So if you're thinking about a faceless channel, but you do want to have sound on it, ElevenLabs, like I said, they give you plenty. They give you plenty of credits just for free, so you can do what you want to do there. And let me take my face off this so you can actually see the screen. I'm sorry about that, guys. There you go. You see up here, you got your try voice clone. That's where we're at. And here's where your voices are, in case you couldn't see that because I had my head sticking in the way there. And I don't even do that. You can, if you want to talk quicker, you can. You can adjust the stability, the similarity. I don't exactly. What's that say it is? Okay, it boosts overall voice clarity and target speaker similarity. So you could try that. Style exaggeration if you wanted to. Exaggerate the speech. Exaggerate the speech. I don't know what the hell that is. But anyway, we're not doing that. What I wanted to do is come here, test the ElevenLabs, see how it worked out, and let you guys see this, which I think it worked out pretty well. So we go and call this a day. If you like this video, if you found anything in it useful, go ahead and give me a like. If you don't mind, subscribe, leave a comment. You can give me a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter. It's called interaction. You want to leave bad comments? Leave them. Leave good comments. I would love the good comments, but interaction's interaction. You want to trash me, I still get credit for it. So there you go. I'm trying, and this is really cool. And like I said, we are going to build a talking avatar, and this is going to be a key factor in it. So if you're following along when we get there, you'll know ElevenLabs now. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time. So peace out.